Let's make our chibi head burst with life, the easy way. For this creative adventure, grab your trusty pencil and a clean sheet of paper, or your tablet with a stylus. We're about to make some magic. Step 1. Draw a circle. Begin by sketching a rough circle as the outline. Step 2. Draw the guidelines. Draw 2 more lines inside the circle, dividing it horizontally, creating 4 equal sections. Step 3. Shape the head. Draw a simple curve, and observe how it gradually moves away from the circle as you draw it downward. Step 4. Draw the chin. Rather than drawing a pointy chin, complete the head with a small curved line like this. Step 5. Draw the ears. Start by drawing the ears. Simply create 2 small, C-shaped curves on the sides of the face, ensuring they are placed in the 4th section. Step 6. Draw the eyes. Sketch crescent or moon-shaped lines in the 3rd section, tilted downward. These shapes will become the upper eyelids of the chibi. Draw a soft circle just below the crescent shapes. Step 7. Add the eyebrows and lips. In the 2nd section of the face, draw 2 eyebrows. Then, position a mouth between the eyes and the chin. Step 8. Draw the back hair. Always begin by drawing the hair with a simple shape. Step 9. Draw the bangs. Draw some bangs and the hair's sides. You may refer to a reference image for this step. Step 10. Ink your drawing. Finalize your drawing using a ballpoint pen, and erase the guidelines. Step 11. Apply the base colors. Apply your base colors for the skin, eyes, and hair. Step 12. Add some shadows. Use darker colors compared to the base colors for adding shadows. Step 13. Add some highlights. Apply lighter colors compared to the base colors to add highlights. And voila, there you have it, a lively, simple, and utterly charming chibi head. Let your creativity run wild and have a blast bringing your characters to life.